Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand contest 465 question number 1, and the question is restored finishing order. Okay, let's read the question first. Very first, it is given that the integer array that is called orders, as you can see in the example 1 we have given, and its length is n, and integer array friends we also have given like this. Okay, this is what we have given. Now it is saying order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once. Okay, and it representing IDs of the participants of a race in the finishing order. Friends contains IDs of your friends in the race sorted in strictly increasing order. Each ID in the friends is guaranteed to appear in the order array. You have to return the array containing your friend's ID in the finishing order. It means what? Means that we have given order and friends, and the order is the exact finish order of all runners, right? And the IDs are from where 1 to n in some orders. Like this we can say, means we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So because we have n is 5 elements is there, so there is exact orders we have here, finish order we have here. Okay, for each IDs. So IDs were from 1 to n in some orders we can say. And for the friends, we have the IDs of your friends, which is sorted by ID. We can say 1, 3 and 4 are the friends, which is sorted by its ID, not by the finish. Okay, this is the order of the ID, and these are what? This is the finish order, exact finish order by all runners. Understand? And this is, we have we can say IDs is from 1 to n, but these are not IDs. These are the finished orders. I hope you understand. Next, what we saying that it is saying that our goal is to find the output of your friend's ID in the order they finished. So how this is the IDs of the friends, we have to give the order. If we talk about the order of the finished, like this we have to find. So we can say first 3 finished, then 1 and then 4. So ID 1 is the second, ID 3 is the first, we can say ID 4 the 4th, okay, is the third. This is what we have to do. So just filter the order, right? Just filter the order array and keep only those IDs that are in the friends. Simple. Very first we'll start with the we can say we have to filter the order array, right? And we'll keep only those IDs that are in the friends. So we'll filter them, and these are the order we can see 3, 1 and 4 are in the order, and this is what we have to do. Let's understand the code. Very first what we need to do is we will take the friends as a set, right? So we'll store the friend in the set for quick lookup, you can say. Like this we'll keep adding all the friends in the friend set. Now we have to collect the friends in the finishing order, right? So we know that what we need to do, we will go in the order and we'll check in the friend set. If it is in the set, we'll have the lookup. If lookup contains, we'll add into the result. Then we will convert into the array, and to do that what we need an array result answer, we can say, and we'll go for all the value, right? And we'll get what each item will store into the array and we'll return it. This is a very simple problem. I hope you will like this video. If you have any suggestions, please put it in the comment box, and for now please write the time complexity space complex in the comments, so I will understand that you understood. And please keep supporting ExpertFunda, and directly indirectly if you want, you can just do the thumbs up, and by subscribing you can do that. Okay, and for any extra classes you can check out our courses. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.